So it's official. I'm in an art class, taking art, and I'm currently in the process of actually getting down into doing art for the first time. And I must say I'm very excited. Well, in the strictest sense, I'm a research scientist. And at some given point in the past, I was studying the underlying mechanism that governs the fundamental nature of humor, primarily comedy or stand-up comedy, and I got into the subfields or subsets of linguistics, phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, applied linguistics, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. That would expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. Intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum.